were notified by the operator of the submersible vessel that it was overdue, and it had 5 persons on board the submersible.
It's got one button, and that's it. Yeah, so we run the sub with this game controller. It's made by Logitech, but it's basically a Sony PlayStation style controller. If you want to go forward, you press forward. If you want to go back, you press back. You want to turn to the left, it's like that. You want to turn to the right, you turn to the right.
We're all aware of the dangers going into this, that this is not a lark, and you know, you sign a waiver before you get on that mentions death 3 different times on page 1.